There, I got my highlights. So there you go. How cool is that? So now I'm gonna get me a jar to put this in. I wanted to do this 2 weeks ago, but I keep forgetting. So now I finally did it. I finally did it. So there you go. So I'm gonna have to find me a jar to put this in. Sometimes it's too big for the jar. Sometimes it's too big for the jar. So anyway, that's what it is. So I'm gonna put it in a jar later on because I'm gonna go get my yung ano ba ang tawag yung ano ba bilao. Kukuha ko ng bilao, ilalagay ko yung gulay ko doon kasi mag-harvest ako ng gulay. Kanindot. Yes, kanindot. Mag-harvest ako ng gulay, so kukunin ko yung bilao. Meron akong bilao. Kasi gawa ko ng gulay. Ako ay gutom na. Yan. So wait lang guys ha, mag-harvest. Kukuha lang ako, mayroon akong bilao. Sandali lang. So ayan, may bilao ako. O ayan, see? Mag-harvest ako ng gulay kasi ako ay nagugutom. I'm hungry for gulay. Ayan, dito tayo sa beans. Ayan yung beans, ang lalaki oh. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan, yung beans oh. Ayan yung beans. Diba?